Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing, gather the essentials, and speak clearly. Explain why you want controls adjusted, show receipts or age verification, and agree a trial period. Once done, make sure the family manager account is available and that you both know the device and profile names. Do not try workarounds. Instead, frame the request as safety-focused, offer time limits and social play rules. This practical approach builds trust, so the next steps become administrative, not adversarial. Now go through the legitimate settings on the device or platform. On Quest, open Family Center or the Parental Controls panel. On PC, use Steam Family Library or Account Permissions. Once you locate the control, request a change through the Family Manager workflow. Submit age verification if required. Explain limits you accept, like time windows and supervised sessions. This demonstrates responsibility. If the platform asks for documentation, provide it promptly. Using the official path ensures changes are reversible and logged for both parties. Finish by testing the updated settings together. Launch Gorilla Tag, check voice, friends, and session length. If something still blocks access, ask the family manager why and offer a compromise, short trials, supervised matches, or stricter time limits. Once done, document what worked and what didn't. If you hit technical barriers or need policy exceptions, contact the platform's support with purchase details and account ID. That official route is the safest way to resolve disputes and restore or adjust access properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.